Peace and Black Power family. It's your Harlem educator, author, and activist, and community organizer, Brother Agyei Tyehimba. Family, I'd like to share something with you. Consider it a tool that can possibly help you be more discerning and selective and strategic with the words that come out of your mouth. Because once we put it out there, it's hard to take it back. And when we put it out there without careful thought, it can often unnecessarily insult and alienate our people who I would like to think we're trying to unify and help to organize. There's a few questions I ask myself generally, and I'm not perfect, but generally, these are the questions that guide what I say. I ask myself, does this help push our people closer to liberation or further away? Does what I'm about to say help us to unify and work together? Does it create more division and hostility and infighting amongst our people? And lastly, does this help in any way provide the institutions or help inspire people to work to build the institutions to be self-governing and self-determined, to defeat white supremacy? And if what I have to say doesn't mean any of those things, then I kind of deduce I don't need to say it. But I do think that asking ourselves these questions before we speak publicly would be very helpful, family. That's it. Peace and Black Power. Hope it helps.